Hi brides, it's Samantha from BlancaBells.com. Today we're going to talk about how to actually wear a wedding veil. We get this question quite often, so today I thought I'd make a helpful video on showing you how a veil comb actually works. So your wedding veil will come on a 3-inch bridal silver comb. We do have a larger version available if you think that's something you may be interested in, but 99% of all of our brides and bridal stores love the 3-inch version. I make our wedding veils as a soft tuck design, meaning when you put the wedding veil on in your hair, you will not be able to see the comb at all. So your veil will come like this. This is the front of the veil, and you'll see that the veil is hand stitched. The veil's comb is hand stitched to behind your wedding veil. So when you flip it, it'll tuck into your hair and you won't be able to see the tool wrap comb. The way that we make our combs, it'll actually work to be worn under your bun or higher up on your head. It works the same no matter how you want to wear it. All you do is point your comb straight up, take it in your hair, wherever you want to wear it, and then flip it down, just like that. Okay, so you're going to go up and then down. So if you want to wear it over your bun, just like that. So it's really easy to put into your hair. If it feels a little loose in your hair, if you have really thin hair, or if your veil is super long and super heavy, what I would suggest is just take bobby pins and pin it into your comb on both sides. So if your veil is a two-tiered veil or has this top layer attached that you can flip over your face, it's going to work the same way. So you're going to place this into your hair, just like this, and your top tier will come over. Now, there's many different designers, obviously, in the world who may do their veil combs a little different. They may use different styles of combs, and that's okay. But I find this fits into your hair so beautifully. I feel that this style of wedding veil gives the best volume, or if you don't want the volume even, it makes for very sheer coverage. However, if you know you want a different style of comb or your veil to be sewn on differently, just reach out to us and we will see what we can do for you.